Arsenal target Yildiz Martinelli. Fire Soccer biggest summer transfers and signings graded. Arsenal, Yildiz Martinelli and the biggest summer transfers. Police Soccer. The summer transfer window is heating up, and some of the biggest names in world football are suddenly at the center of major transfer speculation. Fire. One of the most intriguing stories involves Arsenal and Kenan Yildiz. The young star has attracted serious attention, and Arsenal are reportedly interested in bringing another exciting attacking talent into their squad. If a move develops, Yildiz could become one of the most talked-about signings of the summer. But Arsenal aren't the only club making headlines. Transfer rumors. News: Arsenal want Yildiz Martinelli to shortlist. Summer transfer window. Grading big signings in men's soccer. Arsenal target Yildiz Martinelli. Fire Soccer biggest summer transfers and signings graded. Al Hilal have reportedly added Gabriel Martinelli to their shortlist, creating another major storyline for the transfer window. Martinelli has established himself as a dangerous winger, and any potential move involving the Brazilian would instantly become one of the biggest transfer stories in football. And that's just the beginning. This summer has already delivered huge signings, ambitious moves and transfer decisions that could completely change the balance of power in European and global football. From established superstars to exciting young talents, clubs are spending big to build squads capable of winning trophies. But which signings deserve the highest grades? Some transfers look like perfect matches. The player fits the manager's system, the club's ambitions, and the style of football. Others could take more time to prove their value. That's what makes the summer transfer window so unpredictable. A single signing can transform an attack. A young superstar can become the face of a club, and one unexpected transfer can completely change the football landscape. With Arsenal monitoring Yildiz, Al Hilal considering Martinelli, and major clubs continuing to make ambitious moves, the transfer market is becoming impossible to ignore. The biggest question now is simple: which club has made the smartest signing of the summer? Eyes fire. The window is still moving, more deals are coming, and the next blockbuster transfer could be just around the corner. Football fans, get ready, this summer could be one of the most unforgettable transfer windows yet. Globe Soccer Fire.